A huge welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for joining us again. I really appreciate you checking out the channel. If you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Click the bell to hear about all my latest videos. And if you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up towards the end of the video, please. It really does help build the profile of the channel so more people can see the content I'm producing each week for you here on Red Rocket. I'm Cliff and this is my new Tesla Model 3, collected just over a month ago now, and I've been really pleased with it. You will have seen that previously I've done a video, and you can click the link to it here, where I did a review on the build quality as I saw it after a couple of days of ownership of the Tesla Model 3. Now, in that review, I said I was very happy with it, but today I want to talk to you about paint. Yet, not that paint. I've just been to the DIY store, I've just taken it out of the car. What I want to talk to you about is the paint on the car itself. Now, a lot of you will have seen previous videos done by other YouTubers. Maybe one that springs to mind is Jed from What the Tesla, who recently got his car back from Tesla after having complained about the paint quality to the rocker panel on his car. And you'll have seen others on the forums talking also about paint quality on previous Fremont produced Teslas. Where there was orange peeling, as it was described, where the paint sort of had that peel type effect to it in certain lights. Well, I haven't had any of those problems with the made in China car, but I have experienced some disappointment with the paint quality more recently on inspecting it after I got home. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. So if you're interested in hearing about the paint quality with the made in China Tesla Model 3s, then stick with the channel. So as I said, when I got my car home, I was really pleased with it. I was so pleased with it, I took it out and did a video for you talking about build quality. I was really impressed that there were no significant gap issues. Yeah, I pointed out a few little snags I got, but it took a few days for me to discover actually there was a significant issue for me with my paint. As with many Tesla owners, I wanted to protect my car as quickly as I could. So I booked it into a detailer's and had the car PPF wrapped in specific places, focusing primarily on the front of the car, the side panels and on the bonnet, for obvious reasons. I've also had the car ceramic coated. However, on checking it, I noticed a blemish, which I thought was in the PPF. However, on closer inspection, it turns out that it wasn't in the PPF. I even had the detailers remove the PPF to confirm that in fact the problem was indeed the paint. So you may be asking, well, what are the issues with the paint? Well, let me show you. The damage is indicated by the black circle on the bonnet. It's also indicated by the detailer's finger, which they discovered as preparing the bonnet for PPF. Now, I know this damage is small, and you can see there's a white light patch to the left of the Tesla emblem, but now I know it's there. Every time I visit the car, I notice it, and it frustrates me more and more, and it's just not what you'd expect with a brand new £50,000 car. And so, with that, I got onto Tesla and have reported it, and the car is booked in to have it looked at. And I consulted also with other YouTubers, particularly I reached out to R. Simmons and Serge there, who commented about the paint in a recent video. So let me know if you've been happy with paint on your car, with your made in China Tesla Model 3. Let me know, maybe you've had some similar issues. I'd be really interested to hear. I even had the detailers take a really in-depth look at the bonnet and use a depth gauge to measure the amount of paint that there was on the car itself. As you can see here, they have detailed exactly the depth gauge of the paint across the bonnet for us, so as we can see exactly if there is a significant reduction in paint in that area compared to the rest of the bonnet. So as you can see, the paint across my bonnet is very, very sporadic, with depths different all the way across, but particularly in that area, it is quite thick, indicating that it isn't detailers who've actually polished away anything. In fact, actually, the depth of paint is still way above the depth that they would expect on a bonnet or be prepared to work on a bonnet. So that offers me some reassurance that actually the issue is with Tesla from their factory. Of course, I've been disappointed with the paint issue that I've experienced, but be rest assured Tesla have agreed to book this into their service centre. It's going in this week to rectify the issue, so of course I'll update you on that. But of course I'm still a huge fan of Teslas, and if you're thinking of getting into an EV at the moment, then I would thoroughly recommend the Tesla Model 3, probably one of the best EVs out there still on the market to get into. Don't forget, if you are looking at getting into a Tesla, don't forget to use someone's referral link. If you haven't got someone with a referral link, please do feel free to use mine. I'd be ever so grateful if you did. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification and give the video a thumbs up. It really does help build the profile of my channel and get my content out to more people and help with the YouTube algorithms. As always, please take care and thank you for watching.